Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hi students, warm welcome to math class. Last class we just started about Roman numerals. I hope all of you remember the class. We also discussed some rules to form Roman numerals. Before starting today's class, just revise the last class. Can you able to read Roman numerals now? Yes, very good. That is very easy. Remember only 7 English alphabets. Which are the alphabets? Tell loudly. Which are the alphabets? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, M is equal to 1000. We can form any digit from 1 using these alphabets. There are some rules in Roman numerals. We already discussed all rules in our last class. Rule number 1. I and X can repeated up to 3 times in one number. I and X can repeated up to 3 times in one number. That is the rule number 1. I stands for 1, double I stands for 2, triple 3 stands for 3. Write 4 cannot be written like that. How to write 4? Cannot be written like 4 times I. That is the rule number 1. That means you can put more than 3 I or X of the same Roman numerals together in a group. For example, X is equal to 10, double X 20, triple X 30. Cannot be write 44 times X. That is the first rule. What is the second rule? Second rule is, if smaller value symbol is written to right of greater value. If smaller value symbol is written to right of greater value. Symbol, it is value gets added, that means V or I is written right side of the V. That means 5 plus 1, that is 6. Another example, V plus double I is equal to 7. V triple I is equal to 8. XV means 15. How to write 16? XVI. 17 XV double I. 18 XV triple I. How to write 28? Double X V, that means 25. Then add triple I, so 28, and so on. If symbol of smaller value written to the left of greater value, its value gets subtracted, that means 4. I, V is equal to 4 is written left side of the V, that is V minus 1 is equal to 4. First one right side, second one left side. IX is equal to 9. How to write 40? XL. How to write 90? XC. How to write 400? CD. How to write 900? CM. Okay. Last rule. V, L and D are never repeated together. Last rule. V, L and D are never repeated together in one number. Okay, let us discuss more about the Roman numerals. At what times are the Roman numbers used regularly? Think. Yes, used for ranking or grading as first place, second place, third place. We use Roman number. Next, writing classroom numbers, expressing the school classes, a first standard, second standard, third standard. We write Roman numerals. Next, often they are used for writing the numbers on clock dials using Roman numerals. Some clock dials are using Roman numerals. Next, people use Roman numerals for recreational purpose. 4th anniversary, 9th national conference or cricket tournament like World Cup, or special memorial trophies, 18th memorial trophies. People use Roman numerals for these type of events. Roman numerals are still used today and can be found in many places. They are still used in almost all classes, television programs and other major events. Please remember one general knowledge about the Roman numerals. Don't use ordinal forms ST and ND, TH, etc. with Roman numerals. That is a wrong. Don't write IST standard, second ND standard, IVTH standard. That is a wrong. We write the 23rd World Cup this way and pronounce it as 23rd World Cup tournament. We write Napoleon III and pronounce it as Napoleon III. You should write 19th century this way and pronounce the 19th century, not use TH, ND or ST. Okay, I am giving you some work regarding this chapter. First, write Roman numerals from 1 to 100 in your notebook. 1 to 39 is given in your textbook. Follow carefully all rules and complete the work with neatly and clearly using proper columns. Don't freehand drawing for columns. Use sharp pencil and ruler and send it to school WhatsApp number. Okay. Then turn your page number 88. Life skills. Ayana wakes up at 6 a.m. She goes to school at 7:30 a.m. She comes back home at 2:30 p.m. Can you show these times on the clocks? Okay, that is your work. Before draw the hour hand and minute hand, take a ruler and find the center of the circle. Mark center and draw short hand and long hand. First is 6 o'clock, second 7:30, third 2:30. After complete the work, send it to school WhatsApp number again. What is the importance of doing things at the right time? That is your question. Very meaningful and thoughtful question for you. Being on time is important for numerous reasons. Because it shows that you have respect for others. Time is a valuable thing, and if a person hears responsibility involving others, he or she should realize that others' time is just as important as their own. Someone who is always late shows others that they believe their time is more valuable than others. Also, by being late, a person disrupts all the others involved in that event. Next, horse question. Fill in the blanks with Roman numerals. July has 31 days. Write 31 in Roman numerals. A day has dash hours. 24 hours. Write 24 in Roman numerals. A year has 12 months. February has 28 days and 29 days in a leap year. India has 29 states and 8 union territories. So, write the answer in Roman numerals. Write your answer and send it to school WhatsApp number. Today's session ends here. Next class, we will start a new lesson about addition. Please complete your all homework before the next class. Thank you.